Hi guys! Today's video is going to be a very quick ColourPop haul. It is my Black Friday ColourPop haul. I did already show you some of the things that I purchased from this haul. There was a few of the Christmas collections and stuff that I bought, and I've already showed you that before Christmas because I wanted to get it out before Christmas, but I thought I'd just show you now the other things that I bought. I've only got 3 things, but still. I just wanted to show you what else I got, like, so you can see what I was sort of interested in when I, went crazy and spent all my money on Black Friday. But anyway, as you can probably tell, I have done most of my makeup already. I am just missing blush, eyes and lips, so we're gonna do it in that order and let's get going. So for blush, I purchased a Super Shock blush. I've used the Super Shock shadows before and the highlighters, but I've never used a blush, so I was very intrigued and I wanted to give it a go. And also this one was recommended by, I think it was Rare Beauty Christy, because she did her collab with ColourPop, which I really want but still haven't purchased, and it's like keep selling out. But still, I'm like waiting. I'm waiting until I haven't recently purchased ColourPop stuff and then I'll buy stuff. But anyway, so this one is the Super Shock blush in the shade Between the Sheets. So she really likes these blushes and a lot of people do, like a lot of people love the Super Shock products. So I really wanted to give it a go. So this is what it looks like. And that is the colour. Matched my nails to it really. Whoops. Anyway, it's a really nice colour. I'm just gonna swatch it for you now. It feels so smooth and lovely. Oh, that is amazing. It actually it feels just like so creamy and so smooth popping that on. That's just like one swatch. It already feels amazing. Like, I'm so glad that I bought this. So with these, I think with most of the Super Shock products, you're usually supposed to use your finger, like that's how they recommend it. Or with the blushes, they say, I think it's like a pretty dense brush. So I'm going to try with this one today and we'll see how we go. Or I think beauty sponges, like beauty blenders, are meant to be really good with them as well. But I'm going to try with this today because I don't have a beauty blender. Well, I do, but like I don't have one out at the moment, so I can't be bothered getting one. But I feel like that's working really well. Oh, it's a stunning shade. I might actually do this one with my finger just so you can see what it's like. I'm making a mess of this. I feel like you definitely get more using your fingers, obviously. But I feel like with the brush, it blends a lot better, like, or faster, to be honest with you. I'm just using this to blend it out a bit easier. But at the same time, like, I think it has a really similar effect no matter which way you do it. I just felt like using a brush because I don't often apply things with my fingers, so whenever I do, I'm always like, it doesn't feel right to me. I love this. I think this is amazing. Oh my gosh. I want to buy more now. But seriously, I am already in love with this. I can tell. I've used it once and I'm like, yep, this could be one of my new favorite blushes. It just has so much, it's a gorgeous color. I love this color. It just has so much pigment. It feels amazing. My skin feels really smooth where it's on as well. So that is blush done and I am obsessed with this look. So I mean this pink glow, I will be using that like all the time, I'm pretty sure. But now for eyes. So I got a palette. This one's been out for a little while now because I bought it at the end of last year, like not even like the end, but in November, like late November, so pretty much the end. So this is the Sandstone pressed powder palette. It is absolutely freaking gorgeous. Like, look at it, look at this beautiful packaging. So it's like their first 18 shade palette. Oh, I can't get over it. And this is how it looks. And you can just see it's pretty, like a pretty neutral, like natural palette. Like it's deserty tones because like sandstone. So I'm gonna go in and do a pretty simple look with this today just because I've got someone coming over really soon. So I need to be fast. But anyway, I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and just go into the shade Vortex. And this is gonna be my crease shade and along my lower lash line as well. Okay, so that is all done. Next, I'm going to pop into this shade here called Grounded, just with a smaller fluffy brush. And this is going to be my outer corner colour. Just blending it slightly into my crease and slightly onto my lid, but trying to keep it mainly in the outer corners. I'm going to take this sort of like dense brush, I think it's a packer brush, and go into the yellow shade Oasis. And with this shade I'm going to pop it on my lid, just sort of like the inner part, just packing it on there. I am obsessed with that yellow colour. It is absolutely stunning. It's the Oasis colour. I'm in love with that. So now I'm thinking I'm going to take this shade here called Red Earth on my finger, and I'm just gonna pop this just in the center of my lid here, so it kind of like blends to the darker shade. There we go, and I'm gonna reblend and I'll be back. I think I'm gonna add a bit more depth, I'm gonna make it a bit more darker in my outer corners, and I'll be back. Just with the same shades though, just with the same shade. So I've just reblended a little bit and made it slightly darker, only slightly darker on the outer corners, just by using more of the shade Grounded. And now for my lower lash line, what I'm gonna do is go into what am I gonna do? What I'm going to do is go Grounded on the outer part, and on the inner part I'm going to go into this orangey shade called Canyon Loop. I'm just going to take a thin pencil brush for that as well. So Grounded. And now for my inner corner, I'm just going to take this weird fluffy brush thing and I'm going to go into this, I don't know how to say that, Pueblo, it's Pueblo, Pueblo, I feel like Pueblo would be it, but like with an accent, maybe, Pueblo, I don't know, we'll see. But this is going to be my inner corner shade, so we're just popping this in here. And there we have that. That is going to be my final look for today. It's pretty simple, but I like to use like the yellow and the orange because obviously these colours quite like stood out to me when I got this palette. And the greens as well, but I kind of didn't want to add green just in case like it didn't look good. But next time I use that, I'm going to use the greens. I promise you, we will use the greens together. But anyway, I'm just going to chuck on some brown eyeliner, my mascara, some setting spray, and I will be back to do lips with you. And that is all done, and I am in love with this palette so much. I love this yellow colour, it is stunning, and I love the orange too. Wow, I feel like my eyes look really green now for some reason. It's making my eyes look really green. My eyes are like a few different colours, it's hard to tell sometimes. But anyway, this is making my eyes look really green to me. I don't know if it is to you, but anyway, I 100% recommend this if you want to get it. I think it's amazing. It's like kind of like the perfect neutral palette as well, to be honest with you. Like everyday with like pops of colour, but like pops of like hot summer colours, which if you ask me, I think it's amazing. But anyway, I think it's worth the money. And now for the final product. I bought a lip gloss, and it's just a clear lip gloss, so I'm just going to put it straight on my lips so that you guys can see what it looks like on my naked lip. I got the roller lip gloss in the shade Strawberry Kiss, so obviously it's just like a tinted pink lip gloss, and it's like my childhood. So they released 4 different colours of these right before Christmas, and obviously I have the candy one from the Candyland board game collaboration, so I loved that one, but I wanted to get another one because that one's clear and I needed a colourful one obviously. So this one's pink and it's strawberries, and I love strawberry, like anything that smells or tastes like strawberries I love, so I knew I had to buy this one. And because it's pink, it'll be like slightly pink on my lips instead of just being clear. Obviously it's just like a regular little rollerball. I'm just gonna swatch for you. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look pretty much clear. Yeah, you can see a tiny pink tint on it, but that's about it. It smells amazing. It doesn't taste good. Just thought I'd try it because it smelled really good. It tastes weird. The way it feels on my tongue, I feel like it might have like a plumping agent in it because it felt tiny bit tingly on my tongue. It's lovely and cool. Oh, that feels so nice. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna bring this everywhere with me. So this is what it looks like. Pretty much clear, like slightly pinker than my natural lip, I think. But I think it's really lovely. And it feels really nice. It looks really shiny. I don't think it's plumping my lips at all, so maybe I'm just like had a tiny bit of an allergic reaction when I licked it. I don't know. Maybe my tongue just felt weird. But I think that's really nice. They just bring me back to my childhood. I'm probably gonna eventually buy all of them, I'm not gonna lie. But I just wanted to get the pink one for now. I didn't want to go too crazy and buy the 4-pack, but I did really want to try the pineapple flavor as well because I love pineapple. I love fruit flavored things. Okay, so on the website, if you look at the pack of 4, so the pack comes with Vanilla Sundae, Strawberry Kiss, Pineapple Punch, and Tangerine Dream, which all sound amazing if you ask me. It says that they've got jojoba oil and vitamin E in them, so like super good for your lips, super moisturizing, super hydrating. I can tell my lips already feel like super moisturized and hydrated, which is what I just said. But they feel really like nourished right now, which is really nice. In summer I want like a nice lip balm, and I feel like this might be it, especially because like the little roller ball is so cooling. Like it just feels so nice when you put it on, and it smells amazing. But anyway guys, that is my final product. Obviously I only had 3 things, so this one was a small haul, but I did buy more, but it's just that I've already gone through it with you through the Christmas things. But my camera battery is about to die, so as my camera battery is about to die, I should probably say goodbye. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about anything I did or any of the products I used, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to subscribe or like this video, I would really appreciate it. So thank you, and hopefully I will see you soon in my but anyway, I purchased the Super Shock blush. I'm going to take this fluffy brush and just drop it on the outer part. I feel like Pueblo would be it. Ow, jabbing myself in the eye. I think on the website actually,